I learned a lot of this from my father, who was a devout socialist, a supporter of Eugene V. Debs even after his death, and who believed that speaking out against injustice was nothing. Anybody could speak. One had to take an action. And so I spent my life acting against what I saw was injustice. It turned out that there was injustice everywhere, and it kept me rather busy. It also kept me in a great deal of trouble. I found that it was a way of life that I have embraced because, to me, that was what being a Jew was about. I have certain biases I inherited from him. I should tell you of them. The term Jewish is not a term he felt comfortable with. Jewish meant you were a genetic accident. You were born to parents who were Jewish. If you were born to parents who were tall, you'd be tallish. If you were born to parents who were blonde, you'd be blondish. Jewish. It had no real meaning. To be a Jew meant not that you were observant, because he wasn't. Never set foot inside a shul until my bar mitzvah. But because you lived by certain rules. For example, you had to, or obligated, to assist those less fortunate. And if you waited till they asked for help, that was a sin.